Welcome in this video. If it's your first time to come across this video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification to do not miss out my next video. As you know, if you have been following me for a while, I decided to start doing every Friday a journal weekly review and share with you online, showing you how I was able to trade in this particular week. What was the trade that I took? What was my risk management? How I reacted on each particular trade? What are the trades that I missed during this week? And what could be my P&L on those trades January 2026? And I want to show you an entire review, a general review of this month. If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Let's go straight to my chat and let's go straight to my dashboard and I will break it down with you. Yes, as you can see, if you look at it on the left, you can see this is the year 2026. I took 18 trades and I am in total of minus 6R. My win rate is 17R, 16R. In general, when I review my trade, it was 6 low probability trade that I did a mistake, because when you can see the quarter, it's the first quarter, I'm rating minus 6. And this you can see I took 3 trades this week. Sorry, I took 3 trades. The first trade was with GBPSD. If you can check the trade, you see the trade was clear, the bullish. It was 26 Monday 26. You can see the time I get in, the time I get out. Monday, it was during London session. It was a long LC1, everything is clear, and I reached 1%. Eventually I took minus 1%, and this trade did not have I did not did any stupid things. It was a mutual probability trade here, and I took it based on execution plan. It was not under emotion. I can see the post. This is the higher time frame, strongly bullish. I was looking to long. I see if you go the post, if you can see how the trade was. I was targeting this equal high liquidity, and you can see we saw the Asian low. We have a change of character. Price came back also. You have also a bullish chalk here. Price came back inside this fresh demand. Me, I was looking to buy here, and you can see the N5. Once I got in, price stopped me out and massively pushed to the upside. On this trade, I was eventually targeted 4R, and yeah, as you can see, this is my chart. This is my MT5. How I got stopped out and price goes straight to the TP. Yeah, I was so very sad on this trade, because this month most of this kind of scenario happened to me this month. And on Tuesday, I took 1 trade on gold. Let's see, 1 trade on gold. It was during London session 2. At 12:45, I end up at 3 o'clock. Everything was here. This NT face on. I mitigate the high time PY. Everything is here. This one, I end up break even. I do not take any loss here. Break even on this trade, and it was a valid trade. And the reason why I break even is based on my system. I do not break even. I do not put my stop at break even anyhow with this setup. Everything was clear here. It even met my plan. The trading style was day trading. Everything is here. You can see it's a higher time frame, equal high to target liquidity here. You have a gaps. You can see the H1. This is the H1. You have a nice swap. You have a change of character here. The fresh demand here. This was the fresh demand here to target here. This fresh demand. This is why I bought inside this demand. Let's go straight to the N15. I have this equal high to target. We have a sweep, PY sweep. You have a break of structure aligned with the higher time for that flow. You have inducement. Price took this inducement, push up, failed to close above this high, come back again, price took again the new inducement in front of the PY. You can see how price take my entry, push to the upside. As soon as price chalk bullish here, and I just put my stop loss at break even. This is how price ended up stop me out and continue pushing to the upside. You can see price stop me and push to the upside. Yeah. And here is GBPSD. Here's a gold. I still took a trade on Wednesday on gold. Yeah. You see, it was a minus 1%. my last trade because I blew my 25,000 account on this trade. Yes, I was very emotional that day. I was not even feeling well because I was so sad because it was my last opportunity, my last hope to trade that do not blow the 25,000. I was not feeling even mentally. I was not feeling well, and this is how I took the trade. It was a medium probability for me. When I look, you can see the high time frame was clearly bullish, only looking too long on gold. But I've identified this one past most of the time past stop me out, then reverse back to the upside. I don't know why past constantly doing that. I don't know. And you can see this was a clear bully. I have a clear confirmation of past that past we keep pushing it to the upside, and you can see you have a nice sweep. If I zoom in, you have a nice sweep here. You have a nice, you mitigate the supply. You have a flip. We finally chalk bullish. Then price came back inside this demand. Price stopped me out. My mentor told me I was supposed to wait again after this one break above. Then now I could not place my buy in this zone. You can see price just stopped me out. What happened? Price went straight to the moon. When it go more than my TP. It was I will say it was a low probability, medium probability. Yeah. And on this, I blew my 25,000 account. This is my 25,000 account here. You see here 25 on the 28th. You can see the date. I blew my 25,000 account, and this is how, yeah, I blow it. Guys, this is everything for this video. Let's go straight to the missing trade of this month. Look, this is a missing trade template here. As you can see here, we are on the missing trade template here. This year I already missed 7 trades only in this month, and my PNL is 22 hours. If I was just focusing on targeting 3 hours exactly, I have 22 hours. But there are some trades I could easily target 4 hours, 5 hours. I would have been in 25 hours. Then I just put exactly 3 hours because my target is 3 hours. And I missed 7 trades, and you can see only on January with risk entry I missed 15 hours. With LC2A I missed 7 hours. Yeah, LC1 7 hours. You can see very nice, very beautiful the 2 time frame that I'm trading now. Most of the trade that I missed, most of the trade with a higher PNL. My medium time frame POI swap liquidity. Those that did not swap liquidity is low. You can see, guys, this is the reason why I missed those trades here. I was not focused. I hesitated. I hesitated news. Because of news, I scared. I hesitate and not focused at the moment. Fear of losing. I fear to take the trade and eventually trade good. I scared to lose. I scared to execute too much refinement away from the chart. All these things. This is the trade that I'm supposed to take that will bring my win rate higher. But eventually I skipped those trades. I took trade that some setup that are not low probability, but like the way that I'm skipping trade, my winning trade. I just focus on taking trade that will hit stop loss, because in your system you always have a medium probability losing trade, a medium probability winning trade, a higher probability losing trade, a medium probability winning trade. This is how. Then I was just skipping this kind of setup. I want to take a trade that would have been normally hit my stop loss. You can see I want to be very fast on this trade. Clean setup, very clean trade. High probability this trade here, very high probability, and all this is the 7 trade that I missed. Okay, guys, this is everything for this month. And currently I'm doing a review about my month of the month. I'm doing the review, and you can see the month of January I'm doing a review. Okay, guys, thank you for this video. If you like, comment and share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.